Namaste, welcome to sisrekhaskitchen.com. Today I am making butter from cream which is collected from the milk. Earlier I shared a video on how to make butter from the cream which was collected from yogurt. First we will learn how to collect the cream directly from the milk. From that cream we will learn how to make butter. First of all, I boil some raw milk. This is about half a gallon of unpasteurized raw milk. When I say boiling my milk, I don't really boil it on a high flame. I will just leave it on a low flame for a few minutes and switch off the flame. So the cream will be separated from the milk and comes to the surface as a thick layer. Then I refrigerate the milk for a couple of hours to get a firm layer of cream. And I think this is the easiest way to separate the cream from the milk. Try to collect as much as you can. After collecting the cream, you must freeze it. But if you leave it in the refrigerator, it won't last for more than 4 days. This is all the cream that I collected from milk for about 1 week. Don't forget to thaw out the cream for a couple of hours at least before making butter. Today I am going to use the stick blender to make butter. And this is another easy way. You can use your blender or mixer grinder as I showed in my other video. You can use the whisk if you want, but it takes too long. Add some water and start blending. If the blender is not moving well, you will have to add some more water. Now you can see the butter is coming out and getting separated from the liquid. Squeeze out the liquid from butter and transfer it into another container. Now you can wash that butter with some fresh water. You can use this liquid just like that, or you can add some yogurt starter, then it will become buttermilk. Then you can use that buttermilk to make menti majjiga or majjiga pulusu. Now the butter is ready to be used. You can refrigerate this butter for about 1 week, but if you want to keep it for more than 1 week, go ahead and freeze it. Nice and fresh butter. Isn't it a wonderful thing to make butter at home? If you haven't watched my other video, how to make butter sticks, please do watch that video. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like the video, please share it. For more healthy recipes, check out my website. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my Facebook page.